Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Uplink account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Uplink login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page, and if you are new to Uplink, you can register for a new account by clicking on this button. Now once you are ready, enter your login name on the first box, and after that enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link to recover your account. Once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on the login button and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.